A romantic fucker. They all belong.
I want to take a photo of you without me.
Sure, I can. Should I use your phone? So this is, damn, I'm even scared. I want to touch, but you know, sometimes like I try to behave myself. I don't want to go into other people's shops, you know, and they're not around. they tend to feel like if you like the culture, you know.
Yeah, they like it.
Okay, let's go, bro. Looks so interesting. And they've got some beautiful flowers like we just saw in this area. Though it's almost time to knock off, but hey guys, so I'm in Hong Kong again with my buddies. We just have a bird today. So he said that today he was the god. He was like the angel. He was sent to save the bird. And with my brother here, he's so excited today. He's gonna get some massage. Cool. If you go to land quite fun. Okay, let's go.
Do you come to Hong Kong?
This looks so beautiful. I think I've been here before. Do you think you could have?
No, because the other girl said we're going home. She made it clear.
Because I don't know much about the Hong Kong culture. So
Yeah. Sure.
somebody like me, I think they work here. I think they work there or something. I don't know.
Does he speak your language?
No, English.
Oh.
I'm a native English speaker, but it's my first time to meet him. So
Turn left.
this one. Oh, I'm so tall. Where should I be? Oh. Yeah, sure. I got you.
But that's what they assume.
Like them?
Yeah.
Them?
Yeah.
You mean them?
Those two girls we talked to.
Oh, yeah. If Justin was here today, bro. Hey guys, we're trying some local Hong Kong dessert here. I don't know the name of this dessert, but I think it's called amazing.
Gai. Because
How cool. Gang Gang. so damn. Oh gosh, I'm sorry. Seems so crazy. The kid with the dreads.
Yes, sir, what the fuck?
Yo.
Wow, how do you do? Thanks, man. I like your hair too. Yes, sir. Yo,
Hello,
man.
hello.
You good?
Yeah.
Bro. Okay. I wonder like what is in their head which makes them to behave like German, you know?
Drama.
Like Rastafari.
Rastafari.
Yeah.
What about?
Me to go to some other. Where should I go?
Stuff in here. I really don't know.
Was this place built by the British or?
Yeah.
Damn.
And then
Those people, they really made a beautiful place, and then they're not even enjoying it themselves. OMG. Night walk. Oh, I got you.